So once you've created your parts that you're going to put into your assembly, you need to make a new file that is an assembly, and then you need to insert your files. So for this I'll just choose that tube, and we can insert that. So you can see that we have our two items here, and I want to make this blue one, I want to make the bottom of it so that it's on this face and it's going perpendicular. So to do that, we need to use the mate command, and this allows us to attach objects together. So I can choose this face, and then I can choose the face of the object I want to connect it to, so that's right here. And you can see it moved it so that this face and this face are touching, hence this mate, coincident. The other mates, we have parallel. That will just make it parallel, it won't make it touching. So you can see coincident, they touch, parallel, they're just parallel, they're not actually touching. Perpendicular, that's just going to make like a 90-degree angle of against the two faces. Lock, we don't want to use lock. Distance, you can set how far you want it to be from the face. So like if you wanted a 2-inch offset, then you can set in a number that you want. And then angle, you can choose if you want an angle. It's kind of self-explanatory, really. But for us, we want a coincident. And you can see right now it's messed up. This tube is inside of this one. That would never work. But what we can do to reverse it is hit the flip mate alignment right next to the undo button, and that's gonna flip the side that they're touching on. So that's what we want. We hit check. So now I can move this around, but it's never gonna go lower or higher. And you can see it looks like it's going up and down, but in reality it's just going back and forth. So now we want to mate it so that we can't move it. So we can mate this face and this face together. So we'll click that one and click this one, and boom, it puts it in the line. So now we can still move it forwards and backwards. So we can just take this face and take this face and put them together like that, and now you can see we can't move it. So that means it's fully defined.